If you still feel the lag, then it might be your internet. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can speed up TradingView. So I'm using TradingView on Chrome. So this is a simple tutorial in which you can increase the speed that you are using this website. So the first thing you can do is reduce some indicators. If you have inserted a lot of indicators on your chart, then just delete some of them. So just choose them and then you can delete those that you are not using, and then just leave the one that you are using, and then after that you will be good to go. The second thing you can do is that you can also set these settings. Just come to 3 dots and then here we have the settings that you need to set. So here I have to go to performance and then I have to use this get maximum memory saving, so that if I have opened a lot of tabs, those inactive tabs will be inactive for a shorter period of time. So I see a rounded thing around those tabs, and then I will not feel any slow or I will not feel any lag, because my desktop or my computer will not be slowing down or will not be needing memory to do any task. And then we can go to another thing that you can do to remove that lag is you can delete the cookies, and after deleting the cookies you can reload it. So here I just come here and then we have cookies. I just clear them and then I can restart the site again, but I might need to log in again. So I need to log in again and then choose the market. Then I'll be back again to where I was. So this is the chart again. So it should be fast. And then I can see I still have my indicator here because that time I was logged in. So this is another method that can help you to speed up a likely TradingView. And then we have another method that also can help you, but you need to choose it on your computer. So on your search bar, just search Task Manager, and then after Task Manager, open it, and then there you will see the apps that are using your CPU the most. So just look for those apps. You can just tap here so that you can see that app here according to the percentage. And then after seeing that app, you can just choose it. So let's say that I'm not using this app. I can just select it, right click, and then we have end task. Stop it, and then you will see that my CPU percentage usage is reducing. So I will not feel any lag or whatever. So I can also try to check if there is an app that you are not using here and it has a high CPU usage. You can just end that app. You just select it and then you right click, and then you can see we have an end task there. Just end it, and then after that you will see that your performance in your computer will increase and you will not feel any lag. If you still feel the lag, then it might be your internet, and then you need to use a faster internet. And then you can test your speed and see the latency. So here we'll use this application to see my latency. So I just go here and then can test it and see. So here is my latency. So if you see a higher latency, let's say that 40 and above, then that is a slow network. That might be a slow network, and then you need to change it. So latency is one of the important things, or the download or upload speeds. You should be having a good download and uploading speed so that you have a well-functioning TradingView. So that is it. I do create trading videos. Subscribe and like these videos if you like that kind of content.